Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to log cells in Excel. So, to log cell in Excel, first of all, click here and you can see all the sheet is highlighted. Right click on it and here you can see option format cell. Click on this and go here in protection. Here you can see the log button is already ticked. It means that the sheet is already logged, but you have to activate this. So if you will activate this sheet protection, then all cells will be logged, or you can say entire sheet is logged. But here we only want to log some specific cells. What I want is that these cells remain unlogged and the remaining cells are being logged. So I will go in review tab and here you can see protect sheet. Here I will give password. Suppose I am setting password as 123. Click in OK and again confirm the password 123 and click on OK. Now if I will try to change these cell, then you can see they cannot be altered, they cannot be changed. But where we have unlocked the cell, here you can change the data. So this is how you can log cells in Excel. And if you want to unlock the cell, go in unprotect sheet, give here the password 123, click on OK, and now you can change the values. So this is how you can log cells in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.